Yeah, this thing working. Hey guys, welcome back for another episode. We're on episode 5. I know you guys seen the thumbnail and saying, but why would you show not working strategy or a failed strategy? And guys, I'll be honest with you. This series is building bots, and we're going from theory to fully working bots. And there should be a level of transparency, and I should show you the so-called gurus trading styles that they tend to use that aren't profitable. So this here is a fully, how to say, it's a fail strategy, but a learning experience. So hope you guys stick along to the video. Alright guys, so yeah, you're seeing fancy new intro. Right, so today's episode is on the Rabbit EA. So let's get direct and straight into it. Now you'll be saying, Rabbit, what is the Rabbit EA? Now this is a strategy that theoretically it works for live trading, but currently I have no working settings for it. All the back tests are not horrible, but it's not really well. So the default settings for this and the gurus, I'm not gonna call no names. This is a price action breakout. When you think of a rabbit, you think of small hops. So it's small scalps. And the hops is for breakouts on the candles. So let me dive right into the strategy. So today, I'm switching it up a little bit, guys. So we're getting a little advanced here. So I'm gonna show you guys here 2 examples of the strategy, right? A winning and a losing one. So here we on USD JPY on the 1 hour time frame. This strategy uses two moving averages, and a candle search. So for a double confirmation on breakout, and the moving averages is for the trend direction. So the two moving averages, when the fast moving average crosses the slow moving average, that's the trend. It started to look for a position. Then the next thing it does is look for a candle range. So 5 candles back from the current close price, it will create a small range. So here we have the fast moving average crossing the slow moving average. The fast moving average is the red candle, and the slow moving average is the not candle line, and the slow moving average is the yellow line. When it crosses here and price closes, it creates the range automatically. 5 candles behind, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Creates the high and the low of the range. Now it opens the stop loss at the bottom of the range and targets a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Now here is a winner. See, clear as the winner, right? Nice, well structured. But then we come across here. When price also, the moving average crosses back, it closes the position that was in that direction, because now the market is on a different trend. So here we have price, we have the line crosses, moving averages crosses, and price closes. 5 candles look back, high, range high, range low. Next candle, we look for a selling opportunity because we're looking at sells. Breaks, comes down here, then reverses. Now as it reverses, the moving average is still below, so it still confirms. Then the slow moving average dips, and the fast moving average goes up, crosses, exit the trade. It's not a loss, but it's a break even. So let me see if I could get a real time one for you guys, so you guys can see what I'm speaking about. Let's go for something simple. Yeah, this would have been a win. I want to go for a loss, because this strategy is sound to an extent, but it's for live trading. Probably because I haven't really tweaked the settings. I said tweak. My bad. Right, so here we have the moving average crosses, price closes. Create a range here now. 5 candle look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We take the high and the low, which is here. Then we look for longs. enter long. Here we wouldn't have even taken a trade because the price immediately went forward, so that wasn't even a viable trade. No, this is a here we wouldn't even taken a trade, so it's a working solution but still need tweaking. And as I say, this is the breakdown and analysis that the quote-unquote guru gave. So yeah, so that's the working solution. So now I'm gonna show you guys the back test. I'll only do like a year on your USD, and you'll see that it's not really viable. All right, so back guys, this is the strategy tester. So let's fire it up. I give you guys about 2 minutes so we see how it works, and then I will place here in the bottom of the screen. I would remove myself. Bam. No, it's not even taking any trades. That's crazy. I think I missed a setting, guys. Technical difficulties. Timeout. Alright guys, and we are back. So right, as I said, this strategy is not a profitable strategy. But we need to have full transparency and show you guys that not all things gurus say are true. And this is the nice thing about having a price action expert advisor, a fully price action. I can back test to check the credibility. Now with the back testing, I can also find workable solutions, trailing stop loss, break evens, those kind of stuff. But again, all these things are relevant when it comes to transparency. I should show you guys the unprofitability, if that's a word, of these certain price action trading styles. So even if you use this on your day-to-day as a trading style, it's not 100%. It's not 100% profitable, as you can see here on the graph on screen. It's fully going down, guys. It's going down from 2021. It's going down. 2021 is even finished, and we're already down $30. And this is using fixed lots, right? Now, there could be working solutions. I'm still trying to find working solutions, but I'm being transparent here. And plus, two, I need content. Well, not content, but I'll upload the video. And there won't be any report because it's not profitable as yet. But it's just, again, transparency. So yeah guys, so I'll just fast forward to the end and I'll come back and we'll go through the final analysis. And here you have it, folks. So this is just to show you that, hey, not all strategies are viable. And I touched base on a little bit about EA scams earlier this week. Well, at the time posted it, recording this, but that was last week. This is actually how a graph not supposed to look, but should be, in an essence of, if there's a lot of trades, there'll be down periods. The other graphs had ups. This is a totally unreliable trading system. And these guys sell these systems just like this, knowing it'll fail, and they post altered backtests, altered settings, altered results, and they catch you guys. So guys, this has been episode 5. Now if I do find a working setting for this, me and my team of 2, we will post an episode 5 part 2. So guys, this is episode 5. Stay tuned for episode 6, and like, follow, subscribe. This will be free to the public. There won't be no links to the report, but this is free. So guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.